This is a complete program for monkey and banana problem. So we'll see how to write Prolog program here. So these are set of legal moves. So we already saw them. We have four moves like grasp, climb, push, and walk. So here the first state is monkey is at the middle of the room, and it is on the box, and box is at the middle of the room, and it is not having banana. Then in that case execute this grasp function, like execute this grasp move. Now position of the monkey. So it is still after executing this move, monkey is at the middle of the room, and monkey is on the box, it is at the middle, and it is having banana. And the second move is here in if it is climb. Say suppose monkey is at some position. So say it can be at the door or it can be at the window. So position of the monkey and position of the box, they should be at the same place. Say if the monkey is at the middle of the door, middle of the room, then position of the box also it should be at the middle of the room only. So monkey, it is on the floor, and say it is having banana. So here after climb move, that means this position it remains the same. All these three components remain same. Initially, monkey is on the floor. After executing this climb move, it will be on the box. And the third one, push move. So here again, position of monkey and position of the box, they should be at same place. That is, they can be either at the middle of the door or it can be at the they can be at the middle of the room or they can be at the window. And here monkey it is initially on the floor, and we are not bothered about whether it is having banana or not. So we are just focusing on push move. And here after push, so position of the monkey and box, they'll be changed from P1 to P2. Say initially if the monkey is at the window, and if the box is at the window, then after push, this monkey is at position P2, let it be middle of the room, and it is still on the floor because it just performed push move, or it pushed the box from one place to another place. So box will move as well as monkey also moves, right? So there will be change in state from P1 to P2. And in the last move, walk. So again, while walking also, monkey it walked from P1 to P2, and it is on the floor only. It can walk only on the floor, right? So we are not bothered about position of the box and whether it is having banana or not. So using these legal moves, we need to achieve the task. Now, one important thing is we need to find out the termination condition. So we should check whether the current state, that is whether the monkey is having banana or not. So for that, we need to execute the command. So execute this command can get of state and four components. So don't care about the three components as I said you before. So here we need to check whether the monkey is having banana or not. Say if it is having banana, then it returns this command returns true, and process will stop here. Say suppose if it is not having banana, then we should execute the above moves which we saw just now until it becomes has. So until monkey gets the banana. So in the initial state, monkey is at the door, box is at the window, and monkey has no banana. So this can get of state 1, it returns false. Now we should execute possible moves until monkey gets the banana. So what is our initial state? Our initial state is monkey is at the door, and monkey is on the floor. Box is at the window and it is not having banana. So this is our initial state. Now check which move match with the scenario. So you need to check this. So if you take the first move, monkey is at the middle of the room, but here monkey is at the door, so we can't use this. And take the second one. Here position of monkey and position of box should be same, but here position of monkey and box are different. So you can't use either second move or third move. So you can apply only the fourth move where positions are different. So let us apply that. Now position of the monkey will change from P1 to P2. So as we are using this walk function, walk move, here monkey will move from door to window and still it is on the floor, and this B it remains as it is. So remaining three components they remain as it is. Okay, fine. Then so this is our state 2. So after performing this climb move, execute can get of S2 in order to check whether monkey got banana or not. So as it has no banana, again go back to the previous move or previous step and execute another move. So now check which move is suitable for this condition. So here monkey is at the window, so you can't apply this first move. And position of monkey and position of the box, both of them should be same. So find out the cases where both of them are same. So here you can see in the second case both are same. In the third case also positions of both monkey and box are same. So you can use either of the two moves. So let us use the second move now. Now climb. So here position of the monkey, it will remain the same. So still monkey is at the window and initially it is on the floor. Now after executing climb, monkey is on box. And remaining two components they remain same. Still monkey is not having banana. After executing this move, again what we'll do, you need to execute can get of S2 in order to check whether monkey got banana. So as it is not having banana, again execute one more move. Now check the possible suitable move for this condition. So monkey should be at the window, and so monkey and box should be at same place. So monkey and box should be at same place. And the condition is it should be on box. But in the two cases, monkey is on the floor only. So there is no move that match this condition. So what we'll do, we'll backtrack, and instead of applying this second move in this case, we'll apply third move. So we don't consider this case. So just eliminate this. So now, so here monkey is at the window. So now check this third case. Here, after executing this push move, position of the monkey changed from P1 to P2. So that means here monkey should push the box from window to middle of the room. And it is still on the floor after executing this. So on floor, and position of box also changes here. So position of the box is at the middle of the room and still it is not having banana. So this is after applying this third move. Then now after executing this climb, sorry, after executing this push move, execute can get of state to check whether monkey got the banana or not. Still monkey is not having banana. So backtrack and execute one more move. Now match this with any of the four moves. So here there is a match with the first move, middle and middle. But if you see this, here monkey is on the box, but here it is on the floor. So there is no match with these two components. So we can't apply this grass move in this case. Now try with the second one. Here position of monkey and box, they are same. So middle and middle, yes, we can consider. And it is on the floor. And don't bother about this fourth component, because still it is not having banana. Now if you apply this climb move, what happens? So position, it still remains the same. So monkey is still at the middle of the room. And now after climb, monkey will climb from floor to box. So it will be on box. And position of box, it still remains the same. It is at the middle and it is not having banana. Now check whether we reached our target. So as monkey is not having banana, again go back and execute another move. So now you need to execute one more move here. So execute grass move, because we already executed walk, push and climb till now. So let us match this with grasp. So middle and middle, there is a match. Yes, on box, middle, middle. So all these, there is match with all these three components. So as there is a match here with a grasp move, you can execute this move. So what will be the result now? So here middle, it remains the same. On box, box is at the middle, and now has not is changed to has. So not is changed to has. Now if you execute this can get state 2, then it returns true, because now monkey is having banana. Monkey got banana. So execution will stop at this place. So this is our final state. This is our initial state. So what this indicates, monkey is at the middle of the room and it is on the box. So this is monkey. This is on the box and box is at the middle of the room and this is the banana, right? So after applying this grasp, monkey is having this banana. So here you can see this is our initial state where monkey is at the door and it is on the floor, and monkey is at box is at window and it is not having banana. So you can apply either of the four moves in order to reach the goal state. So we can't use either grasp, climb or push. So we are executing walk. So here you can see after executing this walk move, we moved from door to window. Monkey moved from, so this is not door, monkey moved from door to window. And after executing this walk, again, this will be the state. So position of the monkey, it changed from P1 to P2. That means from door to window. And it is on the floor and box is at the window. It is still not having banana. So you can apply either of the moves. So you can't use grasp. So you can use climb or push. So if you use this climb, so position of the monkey and position of the box, both of them are at window only. So can we use this? So here we already saw that. So position of the monkey and position of the box, both of them at same place. But initially, monkey is on the floor. After executing this, monkey is on box. So initially, monkey is on floor. After executing, monkey is on box. But there is no move which match with this state. So you need to backtrack to the previous state. So that's what we did. We moved to the previous state, backtracking is done. And instead of executing this move, we are taking one more move. So we are going to another move, that is push. Push of P2 comma P2 dash. So here P2 dash is nothing but middle. So you need to push the box from window to middle of the room. So now there is change in position of the monkey and position of box. Both of them, they should be at the same place, right? So initially this is at the window. Now, so initially this is at the window. Now monkey is moved to middle. So monkey is moved to middle and monkey is on the floor and box is also moved to middle. Still it is not having banana. So monkey and box both are at the middle and it is not having banana. Here, even though monkey is at the middle, as it is on the box and here monkey is on the floor, you can't execute this grasp move. So we are taking climb move where position of the box and position of the monkey and position of the box both are same. And after executing climb, monkey, it climbed from floor to box and it is still not having banana. So after this, execute this grasp move and now monkey is at the middle and it is on the box. Box is at the middle. So after executing this grasp, monkey is having banana. So has not is changed to has. So this is our final state.